So here we are in Brixworth at HPP. It's such a mega factory. Always when I come back here, you realize what a massive effort all the people put in here. Our power unit has been great and the winning formula since 2014. And even if we started slow out of the blocks, we continuously improved. And this is down to all the women and men here. And every time I come here, I just love it. And today we brought the drivers as well. We're going to walk around. We're going to have a little Q&A, and we'll release that on social so you can have a look.
Firstly, we just need to confirm that there's no photographs of shoes.
No, you've got to get the shoes in his.
Every single shot.
You've got to get his blue socks in.
I'm giving a side angle.
Hello.
How are you?
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Good.
How are you? Good. Very good. Yeah, good.
How you doing? You alright? Good to see you.
What is this playlist?
Yeah, you too.
I remember how when we set that up.
It's just rad. Like an investment.
Stacey, nice to meet you.
I buy the wrong stuff and I come back with it, plenty of it,
And you get told off.
and I'm being told off.
We all get told off.
But you know what my absolute favorite shop is, and I'm victim to buying, is I can spend an hour in a pharmacy.
The pharmacy?
Yes, I buy all the stuff in the pharmacy.
Superman.
Like the full range of products, because you work in really the worst part of the company. Because it's true, no? Because if systems run well, nobody's saying that to you. But if an email bounces, IT is in catastrophe. That's the only thing we see as working on desks. But as a matter of fact, there is just apart from enterprise software and the things we get in touch, there is so much more in IT. So I really take my hat off, because that's at the core of the activity. If there's a problem in IT, everything else shuts down. So take it.
Well, Lewis didn't have to, or George didn't bother, or Toto didn't bother. So
This is the first time in 15 years that made me wear the shoes. I didn't even know I had to. No one told me before. Health and safety wasn't very good.
Yeah. We're moving in the right direction.
Yeah.
To be honest, I resisted.
They
But
warned me you would.
yeah, but
Toto is a man of style, so it's...
yeah, I represent this team. So
We reuse it, or...
We send it to a recycling.
Yeah, okay.
Then they give back. And then
Yeah.
I hate you head with 18 when
No, perfect. Said that.
Yeah,
Who
right.
knows what you get done?
Yeah, slightly ahead on those. It's for like GR.
Yeah.
Hey guys, how are you?
Pressure that went through our back this year was insane.
Definitely a little bit shorter at the end of this year than we were at the start.
Yeah. Well, it's alright for you, you look playing high.
as a boss, you never get the praise that you should have. You took it to another level, because it shows the determination of the place, and that it's at the end it starts with you.
Maybe take you skydiving and talk about it in the air. Not focus. But yeah.
You need to be excited in the background.
Thank you very much, everybody.